Thank you for taking the time to speak with me today po. I am Cherish Hope Victorino, a student from Siena College, Tigam, and I'm working on a project about logistics in the food industry po. So here are the questions. What kinds of food products do you deliver po?
Okay, we only deliver Lemon Square products.
So where do you deliver po? What grocery stores are your clients?
Our clients are mostly large supermarket and groceries here in Bicol region, like Pure Gold, SM, LCC, and the likes.
Um, how do you manage the routes and schedules for deliveries? Is there a system for logistics?
Yeah, we deliver based from invoices. This is a sample invoice. This one. This is the sample invoice. So first in, first out. So first deliveries will be also the first one to go out for deliveries in the different stores. Ito ang invoice. Schedule na invoice.
That. What kind of vehicles do you use for deliveries?
We have L300 vans, 4-wheeler trucks, and 6-wheeler trucks.
What are the biggest challenges you face in delivering food products?
Challenges. Number one is employees or manpower. So we have the driver and the helper. If they're absent, of course, there is a problem with the deliveries. And number two is the vehicle breakdown. So it's unavoidable. So sometimes when we deliver, we did not expect that there's a flat tire or anything or if there's a problem with the vehicle. And another one is parking. I think you know that in Naga or in any area, the parking of the trucks like ours have a disadvantage in looking out for the parking space and the receiving time, because sometimes the supermarkets have their cut off or have their own receiving time.
How do you ensure the products are in good condition when they arrive at the stores? Is there a system for quality control and storage?
So number one is the receiving personnel in the supermarket. So we make sure that the box that we deliver has no dent or yupi or hole, yung mga butas-butas. And another one, the merchandiser in each supermarket, they have this a role to maintain that the stocks being displayed in the supermarket are in good condition.
Replenishment po. How do you ensure that stores have enough stock?
Okay, as for that, the stocks that we deliver came from the production in Bulacan. So when they deliver the stocks here, definitely we only deliver what is being ordered.
Next po is, what are the main types of products do you deliver? How do you ensure that each type of product is delivered safely and securely?
Okay, so the number one product that we cater are the Lemon Square products. So as you have seen, we have the systematic way of loading it. So from the invoice, this is where they base the boxes to be loaded. So after this one, they sort it out. Diba? Nakita niyo naman, nakasort out na siya per area. And then that's the time that there's a personnel outside also who check, double check na how many boxes was already loaded. Yun. So we make sure that all are properly loaded in the trucks.
Okay po. And do you use technologies po ba like GPS or mobile apps to track deliveries and optimize routes? So how does that help your operations?
Yeah, we do not have GPS because that's costly on our part. But we do use a mobile app that is called GeoMap. This GeoMap determines the real-time location and date of the area. And then another one, of course, we all use the Facebook Messenger. This is widely used to monitor the deliveries and then the status of the deliveries.
Apo. And how do you measure the efficiency of your delivery system? Do you have any key performance indicators that you track?
Yeah, Lemon Square have a quarterly report for the QPI. It is called Third-Party Service Provider Performance Evaluation Scorecard. It shows compliance and the delivery performances of the product. So we are required to meet at least a rating of 95%.
How do you ensure that clients are satisfied with your service? Do you have a process for getting feedback from them?
Our client is actually big EOD, and meeting and going beyond the expectation is an indication that we are giving them good service.
And how do you handle complaints or problems from clients?
Complaints, we immediately address any complaints from Big E depending on the gravity of the complaints, such as delayed in delivering the product. So we provide them, number one, a valid reason for the delay, and of course we will deliver it after we have finished. Kasi as you can see, there's a lot of stocks. Nakapila siya o line up pa siya.
And what steps do you take to ensure the safety of your drivers and the quality of the products you deliver?
Okay, so number one, we make sure that our trucks are in good and in well-maintained condition. And the drivers and the helpers or pahinante are fit to work. Mean to say they are not sick and they are well rested. As for the quality of the products, so we make sure that the products here stuck in the warehouse is in a dry and clean and free from pesticides.
So, do you have any special training po for your drivers on handling food products?
So for handling food products, hindi naman kami restaurant na there's really a specific for that. So we do not have a specific training. However, we have what we gave them is an orientation for the drivers and the helpers regarding the standard operating procedures. Na when you deliver this one, this is the procedure. When you receive a bad orders, this is the procedure. Yeah, that's what we have here.
How do you comply with regulations and standards for delivering food products?
Ayan. So we follow, as I've said, the first in, first out inventory principle. So making sure that all products here are not expired.
And what are the main challenges you face in running a business in the delivery industry?
Okay, so number one, again, our manpower or the people, employees. Another one, since we are in a logistic company, the unpredictable fuel prices. So sometimes it's low, sometimes it's high. Another one is the losses. Losses, for example, lacking items during the delivery or mishandling of the products. And number four is the calamities. That's really unavoidable. So those are the challenges that we face.
How do you measure the success of your business? What are your main goals and targets?
Okay. Success primarily the years in business. How many years are we since 1995?
98.
1998. So 2008, 10
Ano yata sa
years,
month?
16 years.
26.
26 years. So we have been in the logistic company for 26 years. So we also aim to have additional trucks, more trucks, and eventually we want to construct our own warehouse because we are only renting this place.
Yan na pang last question.
Ayan na.
Last thing.
Sige, okay. Sige, no problem.